Have you ever wondered how people seem to make money online, even while they're sleeping? The secret is something called affiliate marketing. It's all about recommending products you already know and love, and then earning a commission whenever someone buys through your unique link. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the entire process. Even if you've never heard of it before, I'll show you how even total beginners can start earning using popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and a world of digital products. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's actually pretty simple. You find a product you like, you promote it, and if someone makes a purchase using your special link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create your own product, you don't need a warehouse to store anything, and you don't have to deal with customer support. Your only job is to share great products and get people interested. Think of it like this. A company has a product, you share your affiliate link, a customer buys through that link, and you get paid. It's a win-win-win. Now, there are three main types of products you can promote. First, we have physical products, things like electronics, kitchen gadgets, or fitness gear. Amazon Associates is the king here. Second, there are digital products. These are things like ebooks, online courses, software, or handy digital tools. Platforms like ClickBank and PartnerStack are fantastic for these. Finally, there are recurring products. These are subscription services like email software, website hosting, or memberships. Physical products usually pay smaller commissions, but the sheer volume of sales can be massive. Digital products, on the other hand, offer much higher commission rates, sometimes as high as 50 to 75% per sale. That means you could earn anywhere from $50 to $200 from a single transaction. And recurring products? They're the gift that keeps on giving, providing you with a steady, long-term passive income stream every month. Alright, let's start with the easiest program for beginners, especially if you're in the US. Amazon Associates. First step, head over to the Amazon Associates website and sign up for free. It's a straightforward process. Step 2, find products you already use or genuinely love. This could be fitness equipment, your favorite kitchen tools, or the tech gadgets you can't live without, anything that people are looking for. Step 3 is the magic part. Copy your unique affiliate link for that product. Once you have your link, where do you put it? You can share these links in your blog posts, in the description boxes of your YouTube videos, on your Pinterest pins, and on your social media posts, as long as the platform's rules allow it. Here as a pro tip, use a tool like Bitly or a WordPress plugin like Pretty Links to shorten your long, clunky affiliate links. It just looks cleaner and more professional. Believe it or not, a single well-written blog post or a helpful YouTube video can start generating $50 to $100 in commissions with just a few interested clicks. Next up, let's dive into the world of digital products with ClickBank. This is one of the best platforms out there because digital products, like online courses, ebooks, or software, often pay incredibly high commissions. We're talking 50 to 75%. To get started, sign up for a free account on ClickBank. Then, browse through their marketplace categories like health and fitness, business and investing, or self-help. You'll want to pick a product that has a good gravity score. This little metric tells you that the product is popular and selling well among other affiliates. Once you've chosen your product, just grab your affiliate link and you're ready to start promoting. You can promote these ClickBank products in the same places we talked about: blog posts, your email newsletter, YouTube videos, and social media. Let me give you an example. Say you find a productivity ebook that sells for $50 and offers a 75% commission. That means for every single sale you make, you earn $37.50. If you make just 10 sales a week, that's an extra $375 in your pocket. When done correctly, hitting that $100 a day mark is totally achievable. Now, having all these affiliate links is great, but they're useless if no one ever clicks on them. Traffic is the absolute key to success. Here are a few beginner-friendly methods to start driving people to your links. First, Pinterest. You can create eye-catching pins that link back to your blog posts where you featured affiliate products. Second, YouTube. Making tutorials, product reviews, or top 5 list videos with your affiliate links in the description is a fantastic strategy. Third is email marketing. You can build a small, dedicated email list and share valuable recommendations with them each week. And of course, there's social media. Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter can be powerful. Just make sure you're following each platform's guidelines on affiliate links. The secret here is to focus on one traffic source first. master it, optimize it, and then expand to others. With consistent posting, even a beginner can start driving hundreds of clicks per week, and those clicks are what turn into passive income. To truly earn money while you sleep, you need to set up systems that work for you 24/7. This is where automation comes in. You can use tools like Tailwind to schedule your Pinterest pins for weeks in advance, or Buffer and Hootsuite to schedule your social media posts across different platforms. For email, services like ConvertKit or MailChimp allow you to create automated email sequences that go out to new subscribers. By setting up these automations, you ensure that your affiliate links are constantly being put in front of new people, generating clicks and sales even when you're completely offline. This is how you build a real, hands-off income stream. Once you have a product that's consistently making you money, it's time to scale. Don't just stop at one. First, start promoting multiple products within the same niche. If you have a blog about home cooking, you can promote a variety of kitchen gadgets. Second, bundle your content. Create a resource page or a gift guide post that features several of your affiliate products together. This encourages cross-selling. And third, when you're ready, you can even outsource content creation to freelancers to grow even faster. This is how you multiply your income without multiplying your effort. It's the very essence of working smart, not just hard. Finally, let's talk about mindset because it's just as important as strategy. Lazy affiliate marketing doesn't mean being careless. There are some common mistakes you absolutely must avoid. First, never promote products you don't genuinely believe in. Your audience will see right through it, and you'll lose all your credibility. Second, always follow FTC guidelines and disclose that you're using affiliate links. Transparency is key to building trust. And third, don't expect to get rich overnight. Affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes patience and consistency. But if you work smart and stick with it, your earnings will steadily grow over time. So there you have it. A complete, beginner-friendly guide to starting affiliate marketing so you can finally start earning money while you sleep. I hope this was super helpful for you. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on building your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.